Welcome to Vipas.AI, where we prioritize your experience with cutting-edge AI applications. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through navigating the payments page. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Vipas.AI. Log in using your credentials by clicking the Login button at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account. On the Profile Update page, find and click on the Payments option located below the Profile section. This action will open the payment page. The payment page is divided into four main sections: Balance, User Credit, Developer Credit, and Earnings. On this page, you can see the four above boxes that show the balance your account has in this one. If your account has any user credit, it will be shown here. The developer credit, if you're a developer, will be shown here. And if you have uploaded any AI models or apps, then the earning you receive through it will be shown here. These will be visible from any subsection of REST details you view as it is static. In this video, we will take the balance section as an example and show in detail each feature. While we will use the balance section as an example, note that the same options and filters are available for the user credit, developer credit, and earnings section. The balance section allows you to manage and review your transactions with several features for sorting, filtering, and customizing the display. Use the search bar to quickly locate specific payment transaction IDs by typing the ID into the search field. Click the filter icon to add or remove filters for each column. This helps in narrowing down the data to specific criteria. Access various options such as pinning, unpinning columns, ordering columns from left to right, and hiding, unhiding columns. These options enhance the customization and readability of the data displayed. Toggle between full screen and normal screen view for better visibility. Adjust the row density to display data in more detail or more compactly. Use this button to refresh the page and update the data displayed. The balance section is organized into 8 columns, each providing specific information about the transactions. Payment transaction ID, transaction type, transaction category, currency, amount, created at, updated at. Each column has specific icons next to its name to manage the data effectively. Sorting icon to sort the data in ascending or descending order. Column position icon to move the column left or right for better accessibility. Options icon to access detailed options for each column. Clear sort, it removes any existing sorting applied to the column, returning the data to its default order. Sort ascending, this icon sorts the data in ascending order based on the values in the selected column. Sort descending, this icon sorts the data in descending order based on the values in the selected column. Clear filter. This removes any filters applied to the column, displaying all data regardless of the filter criteria previously set. Filter by column value. This applies a specific filter to the column to show only rows that match the filter criteria. Group by column value. This option groups the data based on the values in the selected column, making it easier to see and analyze data in category. Pin to left. This option pins the column to the left side of the table. Pin to right, this icon pins the column to the right side of the table. Unpin, this removes any pinning applied to the column, returning it to its default position in the table. Hide column. This hides the column from the view. Show all columns. This restores all hidden columns, ensuring all data is visible in the table. Various filters can be applied to refine the data displayed. These filters are available for all columns and can be used to customize the data view according to your needs. Fuzzy, this allows for approximate matching. Contains, this shows rows containing the specified value. Starts with, option, displays rows starting with the specified value. Ends with, option displays rows ending with the specified value. Equals, this option shows rows that exactly match the specified value. Not equals, this displays rows not matching the specified value. Between, this shows rows with values between two specified values. Between inclusive, this similar to between but includes the boundary values. Greater than, option shows rows with values greater than the specified value. Greater than or equal to option displays rows with values greater than or equal to the specified value. The less than option shows rows with values less than the specified value. Less than or equal to option displays rows with values less than or equal to the specified value. Empty option shows rows with empty values. Not empty option displays rows with non-empty values. In the footer section, you can choose the number of rows to display per page and navigate through pages. Row display to choose the number of rows to display per page, 5, 10, 50, 100. Pagination to navigate through pages, e.g. 1, 2, etc. Remember, these features and filters are also available in the user credit, developer credit, and earnings sections. We use the balance section as an example to show you the details. Manage your transactions effectively on Vipas.AI. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your journey with Vipas.AI.